Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to add music to your Instagram story. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Then, at the upper part of your screen, tap on the plus sign to create a new story. You can choose a photo or a video from your camera roll, or you may also take a picture with your camera. Once you've selected your content, it's time to add the music. To do that, tap the music icon located at the upper part of your screen. From here, you'll see a variety of songs and recommendations. You may choose from the For You options, or you may also browse more music. There are different categories like date night, R&B and soul, pop, and others. But you may also search for specific songs or artists by typing in the search bar. I want to add music by the Beatles in my Instagram story, so I'm gonna search that. And when you finally select a song, you can choose to show the lyrics, show the song title or the album cover. You have the freedom to select which one. You may also adjust the position of the lyrics by dragging them anywhere. And you may also select the part of the song that you want to feature by dragging the rectangle button from left to right. You may also customize the lyrics by changing the color to match your story's aesthetics. You may also adjust the music duration. Once you're satisfied with your music selection and any added visuals, just tap Done. When your story is ready to share, you may choose to post it to your close friends or to all of your friends. And you may do that by selecting the appropriate button in the mouse